Hi everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will give a brief overview of the IdeaStudio software interface to help you quickly understand the main functional areas. First, let's look at the home page. Here you will find several main sections. Workspace. Enter the design and printing workspace. My Zone. Manage your account and projects. Library. Access design resources. Go to HTVRONT. Visit the HTVRONT official website. Community. Join the user community. If you need more help, click Help to access tutorial videos and the user guide. Next is the Design Workspace. This is the main area for creating and editing designs. Here you can use commonly used tools such as Save your design, Upload images, Align design elements, Arrange, adjust layer order. These tools help you quickly edit and organize your design. Next is the parameter setting page. This is the core area for print configuration. You can adjust printing parameters such as printing resolution, DPI, copies, white ink fill, and other printing settings. Finally, we have the task list. Here you can monitor pending and active print jobs and access machine control functions, including check, print a test pattern to check the print head condition, clean, start automatic print head cleaning, print head reset, return the print head to its initial position, feed, move the DTF transfer film forward, back, move the DTF transfer film backward. That's a brief overview of the IdeaStudio interface. Understanding these sections will help you work more efficiently when designing and printing. And that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.